Easy steps of DCC pre-authorized sale complete on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button again to enter User menu. Step 4. Scroll up and down to select Sale Complete on the terminal and press green button. Step 5. Enter Transaction ID and press green button. Step 6. Enter the amount in INR and press green button. Step 7. Terminal identifies and connects with the server to fetch DCC rate based on cardholder's home currency. Step 8. Conversion rate applied is of pre-authorized origin date. Press F1 to opt in or press F4 to cancel and continue with the transaction. Step 9. Charge slip of the DCC sale complete prints and the customer needs to sign the copy. Please feel free to contact us. Helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.